Well, hello everybody. We are here in Bali. Made it in one piece, and I'm going to give you a bit of a tour of our room. So we are in room 1112, which is a pool view room, and it's on the first floor. Get to the room down this corridor here, which leads you out to reception, but we'll have a look at that later. Let's have a look at the room. Yeah, so you come into the room, cupboards here. We've had there's Rach there, say hi Rach.
Hi.
We've had the bags delivered, which is great. They did a wonderful job, and we'll go through and talk through that a little bit later. But we've got wardrobes here, irons, robes, the obligatory safe, and we've got complimentary thongs. We'll have a look at those later. So here's the room. It is a pool view room with a king bed, and I'm not sure if you'll be able to see that, but we have a welcome message drawn on the mirror, which is lovely, from Tree, Indri, Jessie and Coral.
It says, "Welcome Miss Rachel to Courtyard, Marriott,
Nusa Dua Resort.
Nusa Dua Resort. Enjoy your stay."
Yeah. Plus, we also got a little towel animal. I'm not sure if it's a towel animal or if it's a towel Buddha or something like that. That's been done beautifully. The room is lovely. The air conditioning is fantastic. Yeah, so king size bed, phone, all the sort of amenities that you might normally need. And I think from memory, from someone else's video that I've seen, one of the few USB points is actually just this one on the side of the alarm clock. So if you've got a lot of USB things to charge, you might want to consider bringing a way of charging them. The lounge, yeah. So when we arrived today, we were told that we are the guests of the day, and as such, we got given a little fruit bowl, another lovely welcome note. It says, "Om Swastiktatu." My Balinese is not great. Welcome to paradise. A warm welcome to Courtyard by Marriott, Bali Nusa Dua Resort. We're delighted to have you with us and hope your stay is filled with comfort and unforgettable moments. Enjoy your time in Bali. By Fernanda, the Assistant Loyalty Manager. A couple of glasses of watermelon juice there, which is really lovely. So yeah, so a little writing desk here. There's a whole pile of information there as well. One thing I did miss there, the TV, all sort of thing, coffee and tea, drawers. I don't think there's much in the drawers. There's probably a hairdryer in there. Yep, that feels like a hairdryer to me. And now we'll have a look in the bathroom. So, large shower in here, really lovely big shower. Just open this and have a look. So yeah, really nice big shower with a comfortable seat in it. And the overheads, what do they call them, rainforest shower heads. Everybody always talks about the amenities in these places. I don't know, these things might be good, they might not be good. All I know is that they're free. Yes, everyone. Yes, more complimentary water. So the bottles of water are complimentary. And then the amenities kit here. So a couple of dental kits, shaving brush, vanity kits, heaps of really good things. The toilet, which has yet to decipher how that works. And then we come outside. So we got a pool view room on the first floor. It helps if I unlock it. And noting here, one thing I didn't notice earlier was that when the doors open, the air conditioning turns off. So it's helpful to make sure if you want to keep the air conditioned, close the door. Which I'm going to do so that it doesn't get too misty in there. So, a little balcony out here, which is lovely. It's actually a really, really nice day today too. So, we've got our pool view here, the main pool and the bar. Happy hour is at 4 o'clock apparently. And we are before that, we're going to take a bit of an explore and have a look around the resort.